Ready to transform your space with textured walls? Whether modern, rustic, or unique, they add personality and depth to any room. Let's explore the top trends you'll love. Create a cozy, rustic vibe with knockdown texture, ideal for soft, stucco-like finishes. It's perfect for adding charm and old-world elegance to living rooms or bedrooms. Wood panels add an organic, inviting texture to your walls. Whether reclaimed wood or shiplap, this style blends rustic charm with modern edge, perfect for living rooms and bathrooms. Bring Mediterranean vibes to your home with textured stucco walls, perfect for entryways and living rooms. This timeless finish adds organic texture and depth, creating an airy, sun-kissed charm. Textured wallpaper is a great option for anyone wanting a quick decor update. With bold geometrics, it instantly adds depth and style to any room. Explore trends that blend style, sustainability, and functionality for home improvements. Ready to find your perfect decor vibe? Take our fun style quiz by clicking the link in the description. Love the urban industrial vibe? Brick and stone feature walls bring a raw, unfinished look to your space. Whether real brick or faux stone panels, this texture exudes cool sophistication. For a touch of luxe, metallic walls are the way to go. Soft gold, silver, or copper create a high-shine, reflective finish that adds glamour and warmth to any room. Wood slats add a modern, sleek vibe to your walls. Whether vertical, horizontal, or angled, they offer a minimalist aesthetic and a unique twist to any space. If you love nature, a plant wall might be your perfect textured feature. From real foliage to artificial plants, this trend breathes life and texture into any room. Concrete and plastered walls are perfect for modern industrial interiors. This raw, edgy look adds texture and makes a statement in minimalist spaces. For a truly unique look, 3D panels create texture and art on your walls. Choose from a variety of shapes and patterns to turn any room into a masterpiece. Which wall texture trend caught your eye? Subscribe for more inspiration and tips to make your home shine. We've got all the insights for your next project.